Hello, welcome back to my channel Maison Dor Network with me, Dior Shaari. Okay, I had bought this before, but which is this one. Okay, but I see there's a promotion, and I would like to introduce to you also if you interested with this. This is the 4-in-1 bed sheet set from Kun. This is a very popular, the most popular bedsheet from Shopee in Malaysia. So before we unboxing, let's look at some of the pictures and also details. They have promotion with this Kun Airysoft modern urban. This is the one that I bought, plum color. There's 4 here, which in promotion, and I bought 4-in-1. So you can see some of the details here. And I bought it before, and I think it's a very good, and also I like to recommend to all of you. So before we do the unboxing, this is the details, and also the deals that I had before. So okay, so you see they have the right. So this is the plum that I had. Okay, and then if you see this add-on, so 4-in-1 3011, which is if you buy with the coupon, but if not, normal prices will be 89 ringgit and 90 cents. So let's unbox it now. Okay, with some of the this is the plum color, but if the other one that I bought, the dark blue color, there's like this kind of you know, on the packaging, more better one, like in the shop. But the one that I got is just a simple one like this. So if you want to know the difference, this is bed sheet for Queen, BSQ, bed sheet Queen. All right, that is bed sheet for Queen. And then this is PC is the pillowcase. So there's two pillowcases, and also bolster cases. Okay, let's unboxing. Okay, I would like to try the open these pillowcases first. So one of it, so packaging like this. So the material, it's like so soft, and also it's easy to for the care. It's easy for care. Okay, and then it's like this. It's inside. Okay. So if you can see the jahitan ataupun the stitch, so it's very nice one, yeah, and not easy to tear, so, and not easy to yeah, okay. So okay, let's put on the bed, and also pillow, and see how does it look. Open the bed sheet first. It looks like this. Okay. I will just make it double. as you can see, there's still I don't know why when every time that I bought, usually this on the side will be will not cover everything, not cover all. So you see, there's still some here, just a moment. So some line that you can't be covered like that. Now the pillowcase. So I just double up. So my pillow not so that big, but I guess it's just okay lah. Like this, yeah. Like that. So yeah, so this is actually my favorite, and thank you very much for watching. And if you like the I didn't put on the bolster case, later on maybe. Okay, if you are interested with this product, I'm gonna leave the link below the video. Bye bye.